All right, let's begin the broadcast with this big breaking news coming in. Dipesh Sawant has been inconsistent in his answers. We're being told that he has been examined alone and also confronted with both Souvik and Samuel Miranda. Let's go across to Bhavtosh, our senior editor, who's joining us with more details. Inconsistencies in Dipesh's answers. Bhavtosh, can you hear me?
Yes, Swati. In fact, sources in the NCB have said that Dipesh was called yesterday for questioning, and the questioning is still going on. In fact, he was given a few minutes breather by the NCB early in the morning, and he has been questioned alone, and also he has been confronted with Basit Zaid as well as with Souvik and Samuel Miranda. Now, Dipesh was in fact a very long associate of Sushant Singh Rajput. He had worked him for a very long time. And he was the person who was in direct touch with Samuel Miranda. Now, the entire chats that NCB has retrieved and has got from Enforcement Directorate clearly showed that people who were said to be very close to Sushant Singh Rajput were the one who were in fact procuring drugs and also supplying drugs. And these drugs were basically buds or curative marijuana. Dipesh has not been consistent. That's what they have told us. In fact, Swati, if you just go through the NCB remand paper, it clearly mentioned that Souvik as well as Samuel Miranda will be confronted with Riya Chakravarti and also with Dipesh Sawant. And top officers who have questioned Dipesh Sawant have said that he's trying to hide something. Now, Dipesh Sawant is also someone who has been questioned by the Enforcement Directorate as well as by the CBI for several times. In fact, he was probably among the first to be called in by the ED as well as by the CBI. People in CB who are aware of the developments have said that Dipesh is trying to hide something. He's not telling them the source of the drugs and who was the person who used to go and purchase drug whenever Souvik used to inform them that you should go and collect the buds from Zaid or for that matter from Basit Parekh.
Right. Bhavtosh, so now that Souvik Chakravarti has been granted custody, his custody has been granted to the NCB, is Dipesh also going to be confronted with Souvik Chakravarti? That's what the remand copy mentions.
Well, Swati clearly mentions that Dipesh will be confronted with those who were arrested yesterday, that is Souvik Chakravarti as well as with Samuel Miranda. The question is, will Dipesh also be arrested in this case? As of now, the NCP officials are very tight-lipped. They have said that if the evidence is weighing against him and if he's not cooperating with them, then they have no option but to put him under arrest. He will be arrested in the crime information report, which is equivalent to an FIR of LCB, which is 16/20. They have said that he was questioned yesterday for at least 6 to 7 hours, and again he was called in for questioning early in the morning.
Right, so a huge drug syndicate is now under the lens. Bhavtosh, stay on with us.